Hello everyone and welcome to our live demo of AI-based rockfall prediction and alert system for the open pit mines. We have built a web dashboard here. At the very top, we have the real-time risk map. This risk map is of the Karnataka open pit mine. The yellow zones are the warning zones, the red zones are the high alert zone. If I will click over here, this is the site number 3 which is at 61% risk for rockfall. This is the red zone, which is for the site number 7, and it is at 92% risk for rockfalls. Means the people working over there should be immediately evacuated for their safety. Moving further, we have two maps here which are related to the alerts. These are all the high risk areas, like the site number 5, like the site number 7, like for site number 5, this is the 95% risk, means immediate evacuation should be performed there. Likewise, these are the warnings at site number 8. Here I can add email addresses or phone numbers. Now, this email address or phone number will be contacted in case of emergencies, like in case of high predictions or warnings. Now, this is the history of all these sensor predictions, all the Rockwell predictions which have done by collecting the sensor data. I can filter them out using the date. Let's see for yesterday. Yeah, these are all the predictions done for the 2nd of October. These are the incidents like the rockfall incidents or the earthquake incidents, which can help the operators working over there to plan their further activities. These are the sensors which are equipped over various sites. Like we have 8 sites here. Obviously, this is a simulation, but this can actually help the operators working at the mines to check the health of the sensors, to check the battery life of the sensors, or the other data related to those sensors. Like if I click on view history, these are the predictions made by those sensors at site number 2, and these are the predictions made at site number 3, likewise. Now here is our actual model which is running in the background. Now we have trained our model using a synthetic database, and this model is actually a random forest model which gives good accuracy. Like let's predict for this data at site number 6. I'm predicting this, and here I got a prediction of 65% risk, which is a high risk actually. And my phone is here, and I can see that I will get an email which says something like 65.14% risk at the open pit mine. Now it will give me a suggested action plan like warning or schedule a drone inspection and monitor the sensor data closely. Here I can see it is marked here on the screen at site number 6. Now I will run a simulation here. Now, in this simulation, the continuous sensor data will be sent to the model. The model will predict and mark it on our real-time risk map. Like, let's see here, this 61% risk at site number 8. And likewise, as soon as the model predicts, it will also send a notification at my email and SMS to my phone number. Here I can see the simulation here. Everything is good till now. But as soon as it will find a high risk, like 61%, it will mark it on the map here. I can see the incidents here in the history as well. So this was our whole demo of our solution.